If you think about Twitter as a data company, as an extension of what Salesforce is doing with Chatter internally, that data is pretty valuable for Salesforce because it's a way to measure customer sentiment and also do customer relationship management in the social domain, which is what Salesforce has been interested in. So it does make sense, and I think it is something that they are looking at very intently for quite some time. I think that Twitter's data has been undervalued in the market, and I think many of these companies, as they look at it, they're thinking of ways to extract value out of that latent asset.
But let's talk about that. Twitter thus far has struggled to figure out an economic model to monetize whatever you think the value of that data is. What is it that has you convinced that Salesforce could do it better?
Because Salesforce is in the customer relationship management business, and many businesses use Twitter already for customer sentiment measurement as well as customer relationship management. Companies such as Bird Eye, which happens to be one of our companies, actually provides a platform to allow small and large businesses to do analytics on customer sentiments and also do analytics on customer relationship management and customer experiences. That is something that I think Salesforce is very interested in developing and providing to its customers.
But Twitter considers itself, as of last week, the People's News Network. It doesn't view itself as a data company. Do you think it will have to begrudgingly?
Well, I think that the two can coexist. The data asset is built because of its value in the consumer domain as a pulpit for not just journalists, not just celebrities, but also politicians. So there's a lot of data there about sentiments on not just happenings that are in the social domain, but also happenings around products and services that are important to businesses.
What would happen to Twitter if Donald Trump stopped tweeting, Jay? I just don't even, I can't imagine. We talk about Salesforce and Twitter. Is it the best fit for Twitter, or is there another company that could be better in your view?
Well, there were rumors that Facebook and also Disney were looking at Twitter. And you can see why Facebook would also be interested. Facebook's business is primarily built around connecting circles of friends and families. And this gives them an extension. The Twitter's domain is much more about strangers connecting with each other, exchanging information and thought and ideas, sometimes not in a very pleasant way. And I know that the Twitter numbers have gone, in terms of engagement, have gone up since the elections for both parties. So I would imagine that some of these buyers are waiting to see what happens to Twitter's engagement numbers after the elections before they make their moves.
What would be a fair price?
Well, they're roughly around $12.5 billion or so last I looked. It would probably be a slight premium to that. I would imagine the $15 billion type of range.
Hey CNBC fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Here you're going to find videos packed with all of the information that you need to be smarter about your finances. You can subscribe by clicking right here and click on all the videos around me or the eye right here to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.